The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from the southwest pass of the Mississippi River to Port Fourchon, Louisiana, out 20 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Grand Isle, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Boats could sustain damage or capsize. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Grand Isle. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.